Hi. Let's continue the Git learning series. Until now, we have learnt various Git commands, like git init, git add, commit, push, pull, git status, etc. We also learnt how to solve merge conflicts. In this video, we will learn about Git branches. Before that, let's see what all things we have with us. On our local computer, we have this project, which has several files in it. We have opened this project in VS Code. And, the same project is present on our GitHub repository. Okay. So Git branch. What is that? A branch in Git is like a separate line of work in your project. Imagine your project is a tree. The main trunk is your main branch. That branch is often called the main or master branch. A branch is like a small side branch where you can try out new things without messing up the trunk. A branch is used to work on a new feature without breaking the main project. Or, to fix bugs separately. Or, to experiment safely. Imagine that your project is a website which is running completely fine right now. One fine day, your boss tells you to add a new feature to the website. While you are working on this new feature, an issue has occurred in your already live website. So what do you do now? You are in the middle of your new feature work, which is yet incomplete. You can't just keep this incomplete code as it is on the main branch and go and fix the issue in the main code and push it on the live website. Because this new feature is still not completely stable yet and may cause errors and issues in your website. So what do? Delete or comment out all the code of this new feature? The new feature code could be spread across multiple files throughout the project. Will you remember and locate every file and line, and delete or comment it? That's not the ideal way. The best approach is that, when your boss tells you to work on a brand new feature, you create a separate branch in Git. And all your new feature work will be present on this branch only, until it is perfectly done. So in this case, even if you wanted to go to your main code to fix some issue, and push that code live, your new branch code will not interfere. Because that new code is not present on the main branch yet. It is safely isolated on a separate branch. When the new feature is absolutely fine and is ready to go live, then you will merge your newly created branch into the main branch, and the main branch will have the new feature code. Also, if multiple people are working on the project, each working on their different tasks, then each one will create their own branches and work independently, without disturbing the main branch. When their work is finished, they will merge their branches into the main branch. Okay, enough of the theory, let's learn this practically. First, let's see how many branches we have in our project right now. Open the terminal and write git branch. This command tells us how many branches we have right now in our project and also mentions their names. See, we have only one branch, and its name is main. There is an asterisk sign, which means that currently this branch is active. If we had multiple branches present, the asterisk would be shown only on that branch which is selected right now. Okay. Let's say my boss has told me to create a new file number 5 in my project, which is our new upcoming website feature. So what I will do is, instead of directly working on this main branch, I will create a new branch in Git. Write this command to create a new branch. See, this new feature word is the name of my branch. You may write any name you want. Do the git branch command again. See, now it mentions two branches. Main and new feature. But the asterisk sign is still on the main branch. That means we are still standing on the main branch. Let's move to the new feature. To move to another branch, write this git command. See, it says, switched to branch, new feature. Do the git branch command again. See, now the asterisk sign is on the new feature branch. In case you forget which branch you are on currently, then, just look here at the bottom left corner. VS Code shows the current branch name. We are on the new feature branch. Okay. Now we can start our new work. I will create a new file number 5, which is my new work. So file number 5 is now ready. Let's add and commit this file to Git. Write this command to add the file to the staging area. Now write this command to commit this file. The file has been committed. Now, as proof, let's go to the main branch and see if this file number 5 is there or not. It should not be there in the main branch. To go to the main branch, write this command. See, now we are on the main branch, and file number 5 is not present here. Our original code is safe and intact. Okay, let's go back to the new feature branch again. Okay. So my new work is done now, and I am ready to merge my new work into the main branch. How do we do it? The correct way is to first push our new feature branch to GitHub. And then, merge the new feature branch into the main branch. While doing so, a senior developer or your boss will monitor the merge process and see if everything is okay or not. He will then approve or deny the merge request depending on what's right or wrong in the new code. If something is wrong, you have to correct it and push the corrected code to the new feature GitHub branch again. So the process continues until your boss approves the merging of the new feature branch into the main branch. Once that is done, then, the new feature branch will be deleted from GitHub as its job is now over. Let's do this practically. First, I will push my new feature branch to the GitHub repository. To do that, I will write this command. Earlier, we used to write the main word at the end. But since we are pushing the code to the new feature branch, I have written the new feature branch name here. Our new feature branch has been pushed to the GitHub repository. Go to your GitHub repository and refresh the page once. See, it says, new feature had recent pushes. But where is my file number 5? I don't see it. We don't see it here because we are still on the main branch on GitHub. Click here. You will see a new feature branch mentioned. Select it. Now we are standing on the new feature branch, and we can see file number 5 here. Okay, now the next step is to merge our new feature branch code into the main branch. To do that, click the Compare and Pull Request button. See, here it says, Open a pull request. Remember, we are pulling the code from the new feature branch into the main branch. Look at the arrow to know where the code is traveling. Here, you can give a title and description about this pull and merging process. Then, go down a little. Here, you can compare the code from the main branch and the new feature branch. Since the main branch does not have file number 5, it shows nothing on this side. And on the right side, it shows what code file number 5 has on the new feature branch. Now, click the Create Pull Request button. Such a page will open. See, it says, woh.it.wala wants to merge one commit into main from new feature. Okay. Scroll down a little. Here it says that there are no conflicts between the codes on the new feature branch and the main branch. If there were conflicts, we would have to solve them. So here, your boss or some senior developer will either approve or deny this merge request. If he wants to convey a message, he can write it here. I'm the boss here, so I will approve it. Click this Merge Pull Request button. Now, write some commit message and description. We have to commit this process. Then click the Confirm Merge button. See, it says, Pull request successfully merged and closed. It also says that, you're all set. The new feature branch can be safely deleted. So the job on the new feature branch is done. Click the Delete Branch button to delete the new feature branch. The new feature branch has been deleted from the GitHub repository. Now we have a Restore Branch button. If you want, you can restore that branch. Now, click the Code section. See, we are on the main branch here. And now, we have file number 5 present in the main branch. If you click here, you won't see the new feature branch anymore. Okay. But, wait. The new feature branch is still present on my local computer project, and the main branch there does not have file number 5. All the latest changes are on GitHub only. So what do we do? First, we will go to the main branch using this command. See, no file number 5 here. Okay. Now, we will pull the latest code from the main branch of the GitHub repository. To do that, write this git pull command. Pull request worked. See, now we have the file number 5 here. But see, if I do the git branch command, we still have the new feature branch present here. Now, how do we delete that new feature branch from this local project? Write this command in the terminal. At the end, I have written the name of the new feature branch. -d means delete. See, it says, deleted branch new feature. Do the git branch command again. Now we only have the main branch in our project. So tomorrow, if my boss tells me to start working on some new work, or if there is some issue that needs to be solved in the existing code urgently, or if any other side work is there, we will first create a new branch and do all our experiments in the new branch, until our work becomes stable and tested. Then we will merge that new code into the main branch. I hope you have understood the Git branches via this tutorial. See you in the next Git video. Thanks for watching.